Let's get started. Go to Canva, click on More, then type Thumbnail in the search bar. Make sure to select YouTube Thumbnail. Now click on YouTube Thumbnail to open the project. Once inside the project, click on the background, then click the white circle at the top. This is the color palette. Next, go to Color Settings and select Gradient. This will open several gradient options. Choose the one you prefer. I recommend selecting the fourth option. Now it's time to apply your colors to the gradient. For the primary color, I'll use a darker blue. And for the secondary color, a lighter blue or sky blue. Once you're done, simply close the color window. Now open a new tab and go to Google. In the search bar, type imagine.art. Once you're on the website, look at the menu on the left and click on Text to Image. For this tutorial, make sure the selected model under the Models section is Flux. Once selected, click on Try Now. Of course, you can change these settings anytime if you want different results. Under Aspect Ratio, select 16:9. In the Style section, I'll leave it blank. For lighting and camera, I'll also select None since I don't need anything specific there. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Set the number of images to generate to 1. Once that's done, you can type in your own text prompt to generate an image based on your idea. In this case, I'm going to ask for an image of Trump and Putin at the cinema eating popcorn in Pixar style. Once you've written your prompt, click Generate. I usually generate multiple images by slightly changing the prompt each time until I find the perfect one. Keep in mind that there's a daily limit on image generations, but don't worry, they reset every day. Once you're happy with your image, click on it and then click the download icon at the top right corner. Now open another tab and go back to Google. In the search bar, type Remove BG Photo Room. Once you're on the website, click on the plus button, then select the image you previously downloaded from imagine.art. This tool will instantly remove the background while keeping the original image quality. Now click the download button, then select Standard Resolution. The download will start automatically. Great! Now go back to Canva and click on Upload Files. Upload the image with the background you just removed. You can simply drag and drop it into the Upload section. Once the upload is complete, drag the image onto the background of the project we created earlier. Now resize the image and position it properly on the canvas. Select the image, then click Edit at the top. A panel will open on the left side. Click on Adjust. This is where you can modify and enhance the colors of your image. For example, I'm going to slightly increase the contrast and saturation to make it more vivid and eye-catching. Once you're happy with your edits, you can simply close the panel. Now, open a new tab on Google and type textstudio.com. Once you're on the website, look at the top panel and click on Effect. Here, you can choose any text effect you want for your YouTube thumbnail. Just make sure you select one without the crown icon. Those are premium effects. You can also filter effects by category. For example, depending on the style I want to give my thumbnail, I'll choose something from the comic category. Once you've selected your effect, go to the text box and type the message or title you want. When you're done, click the download icon. Note, this site only allows you to download the text in standard resolution for free. High quality is a paid feature. But keep watching, because I'll now show you how to get a high-resolution version for free. Click on PNG to download your image with a transparent background. Then click the blue Download button. Now, as I mentioned, we've downloaded the text in standard quality, but here's how to upgrade it to high resolution without paying. Go back to Google and type Upscale Media. Once you're on the site, click the green button in the center and upload the text file you just downloaded from Text Studio. Now, click on the 4x option to upscale your image to ultra-high resolution, completely for free. As you'll see, the result will be much sharper and cleaner. Make sure the toggle switch next to it is turned on. Then click Download Image. And now you have your text in high resolution, ready to be used in your thumbnail. Go back to Canva and click on Upload Files. Select the high-resolution text image we just downloaded. Wait for the upload to complete. Then, drag the image into your project. Once you've added the text to your design, position it properly and make sure it's clearly visible wherever you want to place it. In my case, I'll place it above the two characters. If you want to move the text behind the image you generated earlier, click on Position at the top. Then, move the text backward until it's placed under the image. And close the panel. Now your text is perfectly positioned behind or in front of your main image, depending on your design. Once you're happy with the result, click the white Share button in the top right corner. Then, click Download. Make sure to select PNG format. Then click the purple Download button. And that's it. Your professional YouTube thumbnail is ready and saved in your files, ready to use. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one.